today it's really unusual because I don't make videos like these anymore. Today I'm gonna make slime. What you need is you'll need PVA glue. I just got this from Mr. Price. And you need any washing detergent, any kind. I'm using this one. I'm not messy. I'm surprised. It's really nice. We're just testing today, so I'm gonna use that much glue. Don't worry. I'm supposed to make slime with my friend Laura. I think we'll need more. Okay, that should be enough. And we can use slime paste. Okay. I don't know how much you need. It's so hard to squeeze out. This is detergent. Okay, so you will need a lot. Okay, so mine's turning out like this so far. It's going out pretty okay because it is gonna go out well because my friend told me this recipe, and I think it's going out. It's going really good, and you just need lots of detergent. Because it won't work if you don't have detergent. Just saying. Oh my lord. It isn't ready yet, but it's really cool. I'm just doing this because, oh my gosh, I think it's coming up. Oh ha ha. Look, I'm gonna do it again because this time we're gonna this off. I'm not wasting it. And I'm just gonna put spoons. This is hard. This is very hard. Okay. No! What happened? Okay, so I'll come back.
Dar poți vreme să suni la ușă, fără nicio problemă. Da, eu cunosc.
No. Okay, so I got it.
Alexandra, what level are you on this game? I'm a zombie. Hey, you don't hit me like that. I'm gonna get you.
No, it's not my time. I need to do way more. It don't go that way.
Io ho notato che mi ha preso. Io ho fatto le spose con la storia.
Okay. I'm trying not to get it all over because my mom will get very mad at me. If I deactivate it, that's gonna go bad. That's why I'm putting the Tinsy Wincy one glue to see if it actually will work. And if it doesn't, we're gonna leave it sit until night and we'll see the next morning. But the next morning I have school, so I'm gonna come back. No, I'm gonna make a movie because and I don't think I'm ready to dig in yet. Okay, so oh my gosh. So anyway. My lord. It is gonna work. Eventually it will. It probably needs to set for a day or something. I'm gonna say put it in the fridge. Mine isn't that hard. And I don't know who actually did. My friend just like said add food coloring and that's it. This laundry detergent isn't showing me love.
No, you didn't.
Not at all. So I'm gonna